The foods you eat every day can either protect your liver or slowly damage it over time. Many people don't realize which foods support liver health and which ones quietly put stress on it. Because of this, millions of people develop fatty liver disease without even knowing it. In this video, we'll explore 4 foods that help your liver stay healthy and 4 foods that can harm it. The liver is one of the most important organs in the human body. It performs more than 500 essential functions. These include removing toxins from the blood, processing fats and sugars from food, producing bile to help digest fats, and storing vitamins and energy. When the liver becomes damaged, the effects spread throughout the entire body. That's why your daily diet plays such a critical role in protecting liver health. First, broccoli. Broccoli contains a powerful compound called sulforaphane. This compound activates important detox enzymes inside the liver. These enzymes help the liver break down toxins, remove harmful chemicals, and prevent fat buildup in liver cells. Regularly eating broccoli may help lower the risk of fatty liver disease. Second, beetroot. Beetroot is rich in betaine and powerful antioxidants. Betaine helps reduce fat accumulation inside the liver, supports liver cell repair, and improves blood circulation. Meanwhile, the antioxidants in beetroot help protect liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Third, green tea. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, especially one known as EGCG. These compounds help reduce liver inflammation, improve fat metabolism, and decrease fat stored in the liver. Studies suggest that drinking 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily may support long-term liver health. Fourth, avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. They also help the body produce glutathione, one of the most important antioxidants used by the liver. Glutathione helps neutralize toxins, protect liver cells, and support the liver's natural repair process. Healthy fats in avocados may also help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Now, let's talk about foods that can harm the liver. First, alcohol. When alcohol is processed in the liver, it produces a toxic substance called acetaldehyde. This toxin damages liver cells, triggers inflammation, and over time can lead to fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Long-term alcohol consumption is one of the leading causes of severe liver disease. Second, fried fast foods. Deep-fried foods often contain large amounts of trans fats and saturated fats. These unhealthy fats increase fat storage in liver cells, worsen metabolic health, and accelerate the development of fatty liver disease. Third, sugary drinks. Beverages like soda contain high levels of fructose. Unlike glucose, fructose is processed almost entirely in the liver. Excess fructose is quickly converted into fat inside the liver, increasing the risk of fatty liver and metabolic disorders. Fourth, processed meats. Foods like bacon, sausages, and belly meats contain preservatives, nitrates, and large amounts of salt. These substances increase oxidative stress and inflammation, placing extra pressure on the liver's detox system. So, what's the key takeaway? Your liver health depends heavily on what you eat every day. Foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats help the liver repair itself and function efficiently. But excessive alcohol, sugary drinks, fried foods, and processed meats can slowly damage liver cells and increase fat buildup. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference for your liver. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more health content.
And in the next video, we'll explore the best drinks that naturally support liver detox and liver repair.